7 secrets to feeling full in a calorie deficit. Number 1, don't drink your calories. Yung liquid calories like juices, hindi ka naman mabubusog doon, pero madali niyang kakainin yung daily limit mo for your calories. Number 2, space out your meals. Important yung timing ng meals mo throughout the day para satisfied ka the whole day and maiwasan yung overnight cravings and binge eating sa gabi. Number 3, high volume, low calorie foods. Ito naman, you get to eat more food for fewer calories like vegetables and fruits, which is perfect for calorie deficit. Number 4, eat fiber. Yung fiber slows down digestion, which will help you feel full for longer. Number 5, eat slower. Huwag ka magmadali para maka-keep up yung brain mo to register fullness before you start overeating. Number 6, keep your favorite foods. Remember that restriction leads to craving. So, important pa rin na ipasok mo yung favorite foods mo sa daily calories mo every once in a while to help you stay consistent. And lastly, get enough sleep. This is vital because lack of sleep can increase your hunger hormones and cravings kinabukasan. So, make sure you sleep well and you sleep tight.